Mine Crypto here. I hope we're all having a wonderful day, and the title of the video is something big coming? Remember, please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. Remembering none of this is financial advice, as I'm not a financial advisor. You should always do your own research. But first and foremost, we look at the crypto bubbles. We are up one rank to 39. With a market cap of 1.04 billion and current price at $85.73 and 24-hour volume quite low at $9 million. We are currently down 0.5% in the hour, down 0.5% in the day, down 0.8% in the week, and down 7.3% in the month. And as you know, this doesn't bother me at all because I'm here for the long run. But we go over to Bull Shark Trading. He says 3-day time frame sitting in and around a support level, and if we break this, we could see the fair value gap taken, which fills at $62. Now, I'm sure there's many of us out there that wouldn't mind seeing a $62 if you know what you hold. I mean, I do lots of research. I would love a $62 quant if and when that does come. I've got a feeling, I think if we were to drop lower than the 80 into the 70s, I think it will get bought up very, very quickly. People like quant, and I like it a lot. And I know I personally would be buying at that level and lots of it. So on day one time frame, we can see price has stalled somewhat. We could see a wick down to take liquidity before attempting a move up. But 4-hour time frame is showing us a descending triangle, 54% probability of success. So it could go either way. A breakout to the downside here, and in my opinion, we visit the $79, and depending on if holders start to get shaken out, we could see targets of $69 to $60 achieved. If we do see these prices, we will be loading up big, as we know what the furniture with quant will look like. We have heard people say quant at these prices are like BTC at $1,000 back in the day. Remember, BTC dropped to 15k to 3k, then we had a massive up move to the all-time high, and we will see a shakeout before the bull market. The whales know that retail have been beaten up and are nervous, so they, in my opinion, try 1 or 2 more times to shake you out. And that is absolutely correct, because yesterday I put out this post, and it was just to get people thinking about what's going on. Quant retailers can get really tetchy in a bear market. Remember, BTC went from 60k on the 12th of April 2021 down to 31.5k on the 18th of July 2021, then a mighty run back up to 64k on the 11th of November 2021, and then nearly a whole year later I went back down to $16,000. And that is a roller coaster, and we've seen this all the way through. It is literally up and down, and it's just finding at the right times to sell and finding those right times to buy in. Now, I saw this tweet from Crypto Freezer. This wallet was created 70 days ago and received 165,000 quant. Since then, it has begun buying 2,000 to 3,000 quant almost every week. Wallet has now a total of 196,464 tokens. Now, this is actually a wallet I've been watching over the last month or so, and it is very, very interesting. And as Andy Goo here, which sometimes I talk about, something big is coming for quant. Now let's go over to Arkham Finance, and we can see this wallet, $16 million in this wallet, and we've got that 196,465 quant. And we can see from the transactions here, they are quite recent, 2 months ago, the 165 at the bottom here, and we've seen a slow increase in the thousands buy up. And what we do see is there's currently no outflow at all from this account. So is something big coming? I spoke about this yesterday with regards to the BIS, Bank of England, complete CBDC trial using blockchain. And they are talking about the consultation being completely finished by the end of the month. And are these buys because of what might be coming? And we have a look here. We look at the quant holders. We can see that there's been an increase from the end of last month to holders around about 500 in 11-12 days or so. And we can look at these wallets. We can see we can actually find this wallet in here, which is this wallet here. has received 9,555 in the last 7 days. And we can also see this wallet here is actually Kraken's wallet, and they've had 4,100 leave the exchange. And we're seeing plus numbers here, complete plus numbers on these wallets here. So it's all looking very good. And we've got Bittrex. I think this is also another exchange wallet, and we're seeing plus numbers 1,300, nearly 2,000 all coming into these wallets, these big wallets. So this is only ever positive if you're seeing plus numbers go into wallets and minus numbers coming out of the exchanges. So if we come over to here, we look at into the block, we can see currently 10% of the holders are in the plus and 89% are out. And we can see the concentration of holders is 66% within the 100, and price correlation against BTCs minus 33%. And we've got the holder composition time held, which is 34% are holding over the year, 62% are bought in within this year, and we've got the 4% which we're seeing an increase of. We want this to see this go up over the next couple of months or so. And we've got the transition greater than 100k within the last 7 days is 13.7 million. We've also got this is quite interesting because within the last 7 days we're seeing the total exchange inflows of 3.78 million, but our outflows are $4.53 million. So we're seeing more outflows from the exchanges into wallets than we are inflows, which can only ever be a positive thing. So I just thought I'd bring you some of the metrics here, looking at some of the market depth of what's actually going on with Quant at the moment. Is something big coming? And maybe you want to leave me a comment so that you can give me your ideas. What do you think's going on? Are we going to see a massive dip before we see that massive rise, just like BTC has done in the past? Are we going to see this with utility coins? So there you go, guys. Remembering none of this is financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. And please subscribe, please hit that notification bell so that you don't miss any further videos. All the best, and I'll catch you later.